Missile cruiser contacted supply ship during replenishment in the Atlantic. Missile cruiser USS LEYTE GULF and Navy supply vessel Robert E. Peary experienced contact during replenishment operation in the Atlantic off the southeastern coast of the U.S. at around 1600 LT February 5, the Navy announced Tuesday. The ships were operating with the Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group. Both ships sustained slight damages. Robert E. Peary suffered an 8-inch gash above the waterline while the cruiser reported minor damage to its flight deck netting, plus 2 dislodged lifeboats. Both ships are now headed into port at Norfolk to assess damage, according to the press release. Ticonderoga-class guided missile cruiser USS LEYTE GULF, displacement 9,800 tons, commissioned 1986, armament missiles, guns, 2 helicopters. Lewis and Clark-class dry cargo and ammunition vessel Robert E. Peary, IMO 9,319,806, GT 43,758, built 2008.